October 2023, Hoboken, New Jersey. A woman in a red hoodie waves a kitchen knife at strangers. Lunges at a man forcing him behind a light post, then casually walks into Starbucks and orders a frappuccino. When police arrive, she fights back, spits on an officer, and racks up 7 criminal charges. This wasn't a Halloween prank. This was a mental health crisis that turned into a felony arrest.
We have a 911 caller on the phone now. She holding a knife in her hand.
That was red sweater, black hat. Red sweater, black hat. Come here.
Yep, red sweater, black hat.
Come here.
All right, you can't touch me.
I'm out with her. Take your hand out of your pocket.
Sorry.
Take your hand out of your pocket.
You can't touch me. You don't have no. What are you trying to touch me for?
Come here.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Stop resisting. Get her legs. Get her legs. Easy, easy, easy. Legs. Flip it over. Flip her over. Easy, easy, easy. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. Everybody relax. Where?
I got her on.
Get the hands. Get the hands.
I got her on.
Cuffs. Get cuffs on it. Get the cuffs.
We're gonna turn you over.
Cuffs.
Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers. I got the arm. I got the arm.
Let's rejoin that first officer as he takes a, let's just say, interesting approach to handle the situation.
Stop. I just want to let you know I'm pressing charges. You son of a. Hit me again. Hit me again. The camera's watching.
Listen, I'm rolling her towards you. I'm rolling towards you. Go. Okay. All right. You got it. This arm. Okay. Listen, we have you already. So just give us this arm. Relax. Give us this arm. I got this one. I got arm.
I don't got the knife. I would have stabbed you.
Where's the knife? Where's the
They
knife?
fell out.
Who's that cuff? Rose has it.
Go ahead,
Rose has
off
it.
him.
Rose has
Did you
it.
get charges pressed? What's his name? All right, we need your real name. Yeah, you don't need to put it because he's putting it.
Double it. Double it.
Double it then.
Get it on. Get it on. Take your
I'll
time. Take
stab
your
you in
time.
your
Okay.
neck.
Roll over.
I hope you take me to prison.
All right. Relax. Just relax. Listen, what's your first name? Please. What's your first name?
Back up, Chris.
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 After hurling some threats, Amanda appears to spit at the officer, who promptly leaves the scene. Back with our riled-up suspect, things aren't exactly getting any easier.
I'm pressing charges.
All right.
What's your first name?
Can you get my money and stuff?
Yes.
Pick up my
Can
items.
you please stop? Can you please stop moving around?
Listen,
Even my
I got it. Who
knife.
is that? I got it, Pito. I got it.
Even
I
my
got it.
kitchen knife.
Okay.
just
All
don't
right.
spit on anybody, please.
Well, he should have never hit me.
That's fine.
You spit on me, I'm gonna spit on you.
Settle it inside, okay?
I'm not a
Okay,
crackhead fiend.
listen.
Pick up my items,
Okay.
please.
We will. We will.
Right there, my charger piece right there.
We're gonna
My
stand you
crackers.
up. Listen to me.
Can you listen? We're gonna get your stuff. Can you please talk to us?
My charger's right there, miss.
We'll get it.
Right there.
What's your first
Yeah.
name? Tell us your
I don't know. John Doe.
All right, we're gonna
Okay.
stand you up, okay? Ready?
No, but I don't have to give them because they officer
Okay.
touched me
Stand up.
without
Stand up.
permission.
Stand up. Oh,
So
oh,
they're
oh.
passing-
Careful.
They're
Be careful.
messing up.
Rose, do a search over there, okay?
Yeah, come on, hold on.
You have a written response back
Here you go. And then, look.
Stop going in your pockets now. Stop going in your pockets.
I don't have to listen to y'all because y'all broke the law.
She'll get it for you, all right?
Just stop, listen.
My charger
Hey,
piece.
you're
All right,
handcuffed
that's
now.
changed.
Just stop. Just stop. You're handcuffed.
Here goes my receipt. Because I'm charging y'all for that. That's going in the report.
Stop. Can you stop moving, please?
You need
Are those tight
to
enough?
change?
Are those tight enough?
That's enough. I'm pressing charges on all of y'all.
Okay. All right.
No, they think I'm not. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Where's your car?
I don't have a car key.
This way, over here. You got it? All right.
Do me a favor, Rick.
Amanda is led to a patrol car, while other officers check in with witnesses. Let's see what they have to say.
Come back and talk to the cops.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the incident.
Yeah.
How are you, sir? How's everything?
Outstanding.
Lieutenant Cook, Sergeant Bullock.
How are you?
We have body cameras
Sergeant
there
Bullock?
on.
Yes.
It's a good Jersey City.
So we just need to know what you saw.
My wife and I were walking. I don't think it was this corner. Oh yeah, well, we passed Mulan's. I don't know whether it was this corner. I thought it was, whichever corner was this corner or the following corner. And a person, I thought it was a guy to start with, red sweatshirt, was flailing a kitchen knife, maybe about 10, 12 inches long. I don't know if it's that guy or not, but it looked kind of like a Middle Eastern guy. She was threatening him and said, talking all kinds of, this is not verbatim, it's just the gist of what went on. You with me? I'll stick you. You don't think I'll do it? You're getting in my space. And then she dropped the knife and then picked up the knife and continued, and they started dancing around the short, not the, the post there. It's not the light post or whatever, it might be the one with the crossing. So he was putting the post between her and him, and she had the knife, and actually went with one feint. Well, not a swipe, but kind of like to go for a stab, but she stopped short as a real threat, saying, I'm not around, you know. So it's all that kind of stuff. And with that, I got my wife with me. There's another woman walking. So I kind of like just pushed through the thing to make sure she was okay. And with that, they broke up. And then with the girl, you know, walking behind, I decided the shape of the jeans and stuff, she carried more like a woman than a guy. But she had the cap on, the hoodie, the things like that. And then about 3 or 4 more guys were kind of like running down the street. Now, growing up in Jersey City, I'm figuring, hey, maybe somebody called the troops out, whatever. And she got on alert, and she went for the knife again, but they passed her by because they didn't recognize she was the threat. And I don't know if they were connected to the guy that was being assaulted, you know, accosted, harassed. Right. But she saw that they weren't actively after her, so she kind of like went off and then continued up the street. Yeah. And so I was talking, so this other woman walked with me and my wife for about, maybe it was for about a block, maybe it was this corner, maybe it was the next one. But by the time I said, well, where is she? I said, you see something? I said, so I called 911. And then I saw her in Starbucks. And she was acting perfectly normal. She was ordering a frappuccino, whatever she was ordering. Completely normal behavior, no threat to anybody inside. There was actually no other customers inside. And she came back out and she started walking back toward, that's right. It was at 314, so I was already past. Is this second?
She went into Starbucks.
This is third.
This is third?
This is third right here,
yes. The Starbucks is right here.
Yes.
Oh yeah, 314 here. Okay. So she started walking back this way. I told the woman at Hudson County, oh, she's walking back towards second. Because I lost track of what's right.
That's when I said, no, it's third by McDonald's.
Okay. Got it. So, and then she walked back.
Did you see her drop the knife at all? Did she get rid of it, or
no?
She put it back.
She kept it.
She tucked it.
Okay.
And then you guys responded very quickly, but I don't know if she. Anyway, long red hoodie, kind of hiding the fact. But if you looked at the jeans from behind, you could see filled out more like a female than a male. Okay. And she talked in that tough girl street voice, and you know, to be a little bit more threatening and so forth. Okay. So anyway, that's my story. I'm sticking to it.
Right. So you said red hoodie and what?
Red hoodie and then a skull cap, like a ski skull cap, a dark color, maybe black, maybe gray, down around the ears so you couldn't see her hair. And it was like right down around the eyes and so forth, and classic Eminem look.
Okay.
Yeah. And then jeans.
Officers then check on that Starbucks those witnesses had mentioned.
Thank you. Appreciate it very much.
I'm gonna give you this. If you can't reach anything, which you probably can't.
Lastly, let's just check with Starbucks to see if anything transpired inside, any complaints, anything like that, and then we should be should be good.
Went in here.
Yeah.
Order and stuff. So.
The original call was it a police or Starbucks?
Hello, how are you? Hoboken Police, how's everything? There was our body cameras are on. There was a female that came in here. There was a little bit of an altercation down the street. We just want to make sure nothing happened inside here, and that you guys are okay in here, and there's no complaints of anything in here.
What was she wearing?
She had.
She seemed kind of
aggressive when she was.
Okay. But no issues inside the establishment.
I just told her something. She was like, I'm not arguing with you. So I didn't really talk back to her. So she wasn't arguing with me.
Okay.
But she was being rude here.
Okay.
She was mad that like we charged for like cocaine milk, which we always have, and she's like, you guys never did that before, and I'm like, we always do. Yeah, it was all of us.
Okay.
But she instantly she seemed kind of crazy. Like,
I got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your help. Have a great night.
Back with our suspect, officers work to get the 28-year-old on her way to jail.
Where's that? What?
She's over there.
No, okay.
All right.
No, I have no case.
What's this? 231. No. No? No. All right. Well, I got a cage of mine.
All right, 231. Do we have one of the victims or witnesses on the phone? If you do, you send it down to the town. Just get a location on one of the witnesses.
Did we do a search?
I haven't heard enough.
Okay. You're confident there's no other weapons?
One of the callers was
Bring her out. Let's do a better search, please. I don't want anybody
Do we
hurt.
have information on any of the victims? Do we have victim locations?
Just watch that left hand, please. Watch that left hand.
Everything else? No. I don't want you. You just say final check. Don't drop it. I'm not.
189.
189.
All right, there's one in custody here. Have 34 respond to headquarters for this party. And any callers that you had, victims, reach back out to so we could speak to them if they're still in the area.
I need you to just say this before I said search your property, please. It's because y'all legally.
I'll reach out to the one witness I got and see if he's still in the area, and my partner will.
Stop kicking.
Stop pulling my arm.
Stop kicking.
Stop kicking.
Stop pulling my arm. And you're hurting my wrist.
Stop kicking.
We confident? We good?
Pulling my arm. I'll punch you in. I'll punch you in your.
Relax.
You just watched 28-year-old Amanda Hernandez get arrested in Hoboken, New Jersey, after allegedly threatening multiple people with a kitchen knife in broad daylight. She was seen lunging at strangers, dropping the knife, picking it back up, and then casually ordering coffee at Starbucks before officers tracked her down. When they tried to arrest her, she fought back, spit on an officer, and threatened to stab police. She was ultimately charged with aggravated assault, throwing bodily fluids at law enforcement, unlawful possession of a weapon, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and making terroristic threats. Before we close this case, we need to talk about what makes the situation so dangerous, and why. Under United States law, threatening someone with a weapon in public can result in multiple felony charges, even if you never actually stab anyone. Let's start with what witnesses saw before police arrived. According to the 911 caller and eyewitness testimony, Amanda was walking down the street in a red hoodie and black skull cap, holding a kitchen knife. She approached a Middle Eastern man and began threatening him. "I'll stick you. You don't think I'll do it? You're getting in my space." The man tried to keep a light post between himself and Amanda as she continued to wave the knife. At one point, she made a lunging motion toward him like she was going to stab him, but stopped short. It was what witnesses described as a bluff feint, but it was threatening enough that bystanders felt the need to call 911 immediately. That's aggravated assault under New Jersey law and across the United States. You don't have to actually stab someone. You just have to make them believe you're about to. And when you're holding a knife and lunging at someone, that's more than enough. Here's where this case gets even stranger. After threatening the man with the knife, Amanda dropped the weapon, picked it back up, and walked into a Starbucks. Inside, according to employees, she acted perfectly normal. She ordered a frappuccino. No aggression, no knife visible, just another customer. But when employees interacted with her, she became rude and aggressive. One employee said she seemed confrontational, like she was ready to argue. But she didn't pull out the knife inside the store. She got her coffee and left. This is important. Because under United States law, her behavior inside Starbucks, even though she was rude, wasn't criminal. She didn't threaten anyone with a weapon. She didn't assault anyone. But the knife incident outside was still active, and officers were already responding. So when she walked back out onto the street, officers were waiting. And then Amanda made things even worse. During the arrest, she spit on an officer. You can hear it clearly in the body cam footage. The officer immediately says, "You just spit on me? I'm pressing charges." Under New Jersey law and across the United States, spitting on a police officer is classified as throwing bodily fluids at law enforcement. In many states, this is a felony. It's treated seriously because bodily fluids can transmit diseases, and it's considered an assault on an officer. Amanda didn't just resist arrest. She escalated the situation by committing an additional violent act against law enforcement. Here's the critical takeaway from this case. Once police arrive to arrest you, resisting only makes things worse. Amanda was already facing serious charges for the knife threat. But by resisting arrest, fighting officers, and spitting on them, she added 3 more charges and potentially years to her sentence. Across the United States, the law is clear. If officers have probable cause to arrest you, you must comply. You can fight the charges in court later. You can argue that the arrest was unlawful, but you cannot physically fight officers in the moment, because every second you resist, you're committing a new crime. If this case showed you how fast a mental health crisis can turn into 7 felony charges, I need you to do something right now. Subscribe to this channel. We break down real police body cam footage from across the United States, so you can see exactly what happens when people make the worst decisions of their lives. Hit that like button if you didn't know that spitting on a cop can add 5 years to your sentence. And drop a comment. Have you ever witnessed someone having a public mental health crisis? What did you do? This channel is your reality check. We don't sugarcoat, we don't make excuses. We show you the law, the consequences, and the real-world impact of bad decisions. Because one moment of rage, one knife threat, one act of resistance can destroy your entire life. Subscribe now and learn from Amanda's mistakes. Because in the United States, threatening someone with a weapon is a felony, and fighting cops only makes it worse. Stay calm, stay smart. Remember, in America, the difference between walking away and going to prison for years is often just one decision. Don't let that decision be the wrong one.